Welcome to this course of Microservices with Azure. My name is Mumtaz Khan and I have over 10 years experience working with Microsoft technologies. My areas of interest include cloud computing, automation and DevOps. I am currently working as an automation consultant, helping businesses to migrate to Azure and start their DevOps journey. The course overview. In this course, we have 7 sections. In section 1, we will get started with Service Fabric. We will understand the need of microservices architectures in modern world computing. And then in section 2, we will start building a sample application with backend and front end. And then in section 3, we will deploy that application locally on a local Service Fabric cluster and then promote into Service Fabric cluster on Azure. In section 4, we will look at securing microservices and go through the security options available in Service Fabric cluster. And in section 5, we will go through monitoring Service Fabric cluster. We will set up application insights, set up some rules, and then finally look at the OMS solution available for Service Fabric. In section 6, we will go through what auto scaling options are available in Service Fabric and how you can auto scale horizontally and vertically. And finally, in section 7, we will go through creating a Service Fabric project with containers and using Service Fabric cluster as a container orchestrator. Prerequisites for this course are: you need a Windows 10 or a Windows Server 2016 workstation. You need a Visual Studio installed on it with latest version of Service Fabric SDK and latest Azure PowerShell modules. By the end of this course, you will have enough ability to hit the ground running and start creating your own Service Fabric cluster and have ability to productionize it as well. Let's get started.